This brake leak is kicking my butt. It was leaking here, I fixed it. It was leaking here, I fixed it. Then I thought, I'm done. I can move on. Wrong. Now it's leaking there. Yeah, I don't know where all these mystery brake fluid leaks are coming from. So this episode is dedicated to fixing brake leaks. Sometimes it's the most easiest stuff, the stuff that should only take 2 seconds, but yet it takes forever and it breaks you down. It makes you want to cry. But we're not gonna cry. We're gonna fix it, or at least we're gonna try to. Welcome back to the Tony Bush Jr. Show. Let's get cracking. So, this top line here is the one that's leaking. It's leaking from this fitting and the proportioning valve. So, unfortunately, there's a line right below it. I have to remove that line, then try to tighten this line, then tighten that line to that line, and then hope that that line is in line and that it don't leak. That makes sense? There might be a miracle. So that silver line underneath the bronze line, I was able to crack it loose. You see I'm moving it? Look at that. So I didn't want to take that all the way out, and it looks like I might not have to. So now that that line is loose, that one, this one here, this gold daddy right there, I'm gonna try to tighten it up a little more, and after I do that, I'll tighten the bottom one, and then hopefully it's not leaking. You see that? You see that? That is not water, okay? That is not aloe juice with the Pope. That is brake fluid. This is what I'm going through. Okay, my fingers are crossed. All right, I just tightened everything back. I didn't have to take that all the way out. All I only had to do was loosen it, and I cleaned it off with my trusty blue shop towel. Ooh, ah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'm gonna go inside Zen, and hopefully it's not leaking. So y'all tell me if it leaked, because I won't be able to see it. All right, y'all, I'm trusting that y'all will be my eyes and that it does not leak. I'm pumping. That's 1 pump, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. I don't know if it's leaking. Y'all gotta tell me. All right, I can't see nothing. That's 8, that's 9, and that's 10. All right, let's review it. Please don't leak. Oh boy. Okay, after reviewing the play, it's still leaking. Look, there, yep, that's brake fluid. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. Let's keep going. Oh man, I thought that would have fixed it. You guys heard those old wise words? If it still leaks, tighten it and hope you don't break it. I kind of made that up. I hope it doesn't break. Fingers crossed and eyes. Let's do this again. All I need you to do, sir, is cooperate. Okay? That's backwards. I just need this thing to cooperate. All right, let's just make this easy. Let's just make this easy for everybody, okay? This could be a 2-minute video. All right, it don't have to be 10 minutes or 15 or 6 months. I just need you to cooperate, baby. All I need is some little respect. Just a little bit, oh baby, please. Okay. RESPECT. Find out what it means to me. Let me loosen this. All right, step 1 is done. Here comes step 2. All right, the bottom line is loosened. I do not want to take that thing out. All right, all I want to do is just try to tighten this top one just a little bit more. Just a little more. I'm gonna hold the proportioning valve as leverage so it doesn't twist as I tighten. Okay, I was able to tighten it. All right, and I don't want to tighten it too much because I don't want to strip this thing or max it out and cause more damage. So I'm just literally going in small increments, minute incrementations. I have no idea if that's a real word. All right, so I'm just gonna go one more minute incrementation. Okay, wait, let's tighten. All right, that's it. That's all I want to do. Now I'm gonna tighten the bottom line back up, and hopefully it's not acting up with a leak. All right, boys and girls, here we go again. One, I'm pressing the brake pedal. Please tell me, y'all. Please tell me it's not leaking. Please. Oh, I beg you. Please tell me it's not leaking. That's 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. All right, let's check. Hopefully there's no drips. Ah! Still leaking. I've tried everything. I've done it all. This is going to be a while, y'all. This is not going to go how I thought it would be. All right, we are approaching the umpteenth minute mark. So, means I'm going to have to do it all again. I am sad to report none of my tactics worked. So I am, I'm resorting to drastic measures. So I'm taking off the bottom brake line that's attached to the gold adapter brake fitting, and I'm going to have to do the same thing I had to do with, it was either this one or this one, I can't remember, but one of them was leaking bad, so I had to keep removing the fitting and then installing it, because it has to be centered. There's a mating surface, and they go like this, so it could be off like that. So if it's not centered with each other, this fitting and the orifice diameter that's inside this valve, if they're off by a smidget, then you'll have a leak. So what I had to end up doing was removing this one, installing it, removing it, installing it, and finally this one doesn't leak. This is a little worse because it's on the bottom, so I can't see anything. I can only feel it like I'm Stevie Wonder. So I'll keep you guys updated. Look at the brake fluid. It's everywhere. This stuff is bad, so bad. The other thing is I'm working in small increments. Look at all this stuff that's in the way. Look at that. Look, there's hoses, there's metal, there's so much stuff in the way, and I can literally only move this a fraction at a time. Look, move it, take it off, reset. Move it. Look, hold on. Look. Yep, there it is. Move it, take it off, reset. There's no room in here. No room at all. Well, I'm sad to report a few days have passed and that didn't work at all. My eye is twitching because I'm so frustrated. That's a flat surface. But on this new one that I ordered, look, it has this extra lip that extends out. So I think what was going on is because this surface is flat, for whatever reason, it wasn't like making complete contact with the master cylinder proportioning valve. So I think that, and I could be wrong, but I think that by this version having this extra lip, that it'll make contact with that surface and it should stop the brake fluid leak. For the 200th time, I gotta go ahead and reverse the process. I gotta remove the first brake line from the adapter fitting, and then I have to remove the adapter fitting. Oh man, yep, oh man. But I'm hoping that this will fix our problem. And just like before, I'm gonna go ahead and just slowly turn this bad boy to get it out because there is no room. I don't wanna twist this whole unit because if I do, I could break the line. So I have to hold the first brake line in place. Well, I have to hold the adapter fitting in place while I unthread the brake line so that nothing gets twisted or damaged. Now that the first brake line is removed, I can go ahead and remove the adapter fitting. And now the adapter fitting is out. You can you see what I was saying? See how it's flat here? This is the new fitting with the lip. It's got the lip, the deep lip. I'm hoping this works. Okay, look, there's a comparison right there. Oh, wow. The hole is bigger on this one too. Hope that's a good thing. All right, let's put it in. I swear you can't make this stuff up. You can't. So I think this is the right part, but it's definitely the wrong size. You guys see something a little different there? Yeah, this one's much smaller. So that means I gotta order another one. And hopefully this side will be correct. Oh man. Okay, that's part of the game, is what they say. It's part of the game. I don't want it to be a part of the game. I want the right stuff so we can get ahead along that much closer to get this thing on the road. But this episode did not end the way I intended it to. So I gotta go ahead and track down the right fitting. So if you enjoyed the shenanigans and my suffering, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to the channel. I think I'm running out of brake fluid because I think I need to buy another bottle. And hopefully by the next episode, I will have this figured out. So I appreciate y'all as always for watching and tuning in to the next episode. Pew!